Is your boiler trying to tell you something? It might be time to pay attention. Many homeowners overlook signs of trouble until it's too late. Our team at Emergency Plumber Athlone wants you to stay warm this winter. Let's discuss 5 warning signs that your boiler is about to break down. First, if your boiler is making strange noises, this is a red flag. Sounds like banging or kettling might mean limescale buildup due to hard water. A simple chemical flush can help, but severe cases may require a full heat exchanger replacement. If you hear whistling, it could indicate air trapped in the system or a failing pump. Bleeding your radiators may fix it. Next, check if your boiler keeps losing pressure. If you're topping it up frequently, there's likely a leak. Common issues include faulty radiator valves or a malfunctioning pressure relief valve. Don't attempt to top up repeatedly. This can cause corrosion. Instead, call a heating engineer to find the leak. The third sign is uneven heating from your radiators. If some are cold, especially at the top, trapped air might be the culprit. You can fix this by bleeding your radiators. If the bottom is cold, it might indicate a serious blockage requiring a power flush. Fourth, if you notice an increase in your energy bills, something is amiss. Heating inefficiencies may be draining your wallet. Causes could include sludge buildup or a failing circulation pump. Investing in servicing now could save you money later. Lastly, if your boiler is displaying error codes or locking out, it's time to act. Common issues include ignition failures or flue blockages. Document any error codes and call a qualified professional for help. If you identify any of these warning signs, don't ignore them. Contact Emergency Plumber Athlone to schedule a thorough inspection. Staying proactive can prevent hefty repair bills later, so take action before winter sets in. Stay warm and comfortable. Don't wait for a full breakdown. Reach out to us at 090-664-1014 for reliable service.